Namaste student, myself J.V. Ranchika Kushwaha. Today we will discuss about communicable and non-communicable disease, in which we will discuss about the hypertension disease. So what is hypertension? Hypertension blood pressure is a trait as opposed to a specific disease. It, represent, it represents a quantitative rather than a qualitative deviation from the normal. Its level of blood pressure at which the benefit or treatment outweigh the cost of hazards. So hypertension is a condition in which arterial blood pressure is chronically elevated. So what are the risks of hypertension disease? So there are many risks in the hypertension. So it leading causes of the global burden of disease, approximately 7.6 billion deaths and 92 million disability adjusted life years worldwide. So it doubles the risk of cardiovascular diseases, often it associated with additional cardiovascular disease risk factors. So in this anti-hypersensitive therapy clearly reduces the risk of cardiovascular and renal disease. But the large segment of the hypersensitive people are rather untreated or inadequately treated. So what are the etiology of hypertension disease? So it may be either essential or secondary. In essential, 90 to 95% unknown specific causes, multifactorial, in which it could be environmental factors, genetic factors, fetal factors, humoral mechanism, or it could be insulin resistance or metabolic syndrome. In secondary etiology, the consequences of a specific disease or abnormality leading to sodium retention or peripheral vasoconstriction. So, we will discuss about essential of hypertension. So, in this first is genetic factor, and this tends to run a family by shared environmental influences, but still largely unidentified genetic component. The second is fetal factors. In this low birth weight, so it could maybe due to the fetal adaptation to intrauterine undimmed with long-term changes in blood vessel structure or the functional or crucial hormonal systems. So there could be it could be environmental factors also like obesity, alcohol intake, sodium intake, or stress. So in obesity, fat people have higher blood pressure than thin people. So in this sleep disorder, breathing often seen with obesity maybe in an additional risk factor. Then in alcohol intake, close relationship between the consumption of alcohol and blood pressure level. But small amount of alcohol seem to be beneficial. In sodium intake, it is directly proportional, or some evidences that is a high potassium diet can protect against the effect of high sodium intake. So next is stress. In stress, chronic stress like uncertain, so it could be acute pain or stress can be raised high blood pressure. So thank you, students. These are the hypertension essentials. And next video we will discuss about the treatment of hypertension and what are the diagnostic features of hypertension. Thank you. If you have any query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you.